Welcome to my channel. So just to give you an update regarding my accident like 17 days ago, so January 13, 2026, and to document the before of my wrecked car, my rear ended Nissan Sentra. So 2013, I was rear ended by a Dodge TRX who fled the scene, and I was not able to get information, even the plate number of the truck. Anyway, I'd like to document this before I touch it. It's been 17 days and I have not heard from the police. I sent, I don't know, more than 6 emails, but have not received any response. So I'm not gonna wait for them to catch the other driver. So I'm gonna try to fix my car. So it's a lifted truck, high-end Dodge TRX. So it hit me right here. So the impact was absorbed by the trunk lid, just a little from the, I think the rear bumper is salvageable. There's a tear here. I was planning on fixing it with what do you call this? It was the plastic, some sort of plastic glue, and then Bondo, and then paint over it. So initially, when I went yesterday to the salvage yard, I was planning to get a trunk lid and pair of rear tail lights. So the trunk lid on eBay will cost me around 300 bucks, and some of them doesn't have the reflector or the light, or reverse light, and $200 to ship. $200 to ship, around 500 bucks. And for the tail light on eBay, it's around $100 a pair. For the bumper, $100 plus shipping. So I was planning on I already called the salvage yard. They said 90 bucks for the trunk, and then 66 bucks for the pair. So I was thinking 150, 160 bucks. But I was already there, and I decided to just to get another bumper. So it's plug and play. It's already gray, same body color. I think it's the same body color, but this is a SV model. Mine is an SL. It doesn't matter. I think this is an upgrade because it has a built-in camera. So there you go. You pick your own part. That's a lot of work, but I think it's worth it. I was really tired when I got home yesterday. And this is the panel where the trunk lock is located. So I assumed it's broken, so I paid for this also. They charged me $7 for this plastic panel. So 1 2 3 4 5 items. All in all, I paid $232. So I went over my budget of $160, but I think it's gonna be worth it. What else? I am hoping that the bracket or the metal arm that holds the trunk was not damaged or bent. I'm hoping that it is not bent, because once I open this, it's gonna be exposed to the rain when it rains. So I need to do it, and just to start it and then finish it. Okay, otherwise the inside is gonna get wet. Okay, so I'm making this video to document the before my first time. This is my first time doing a project like this. Okay, a fix like this. I've already fixed this, but this is minor. I replaced this whole panel, but this time it's different because the damage is bigger. And good thing I saw this. Even the plastic clips were ruined. I'm glad I saw it, so I was able to get the same part, but you need to seal it with silicone. So guys, this is the before. Good thing the emblem was the damage. Yeah, mine is an SL. Yeah, even this side was damaged. So for the side panel, I think I have some uh, um, what do you call this, imperfection on this side. It popped up, so I'm hoping that if I hammer it backwards, this will align. Yep. So on this side it doesn't have that. This is, oh no, yeah, it's same but not as bad as the other side. So I need to hammer it back. I'm just gonna use my tools and let's see if I can do it. Okay, see, water is gonna go here if I don't fix it. And you know, it's cold this past few weeks, so even though this car is still running, it's hard to use it without heater. If you use the heater, the heat will just go at the back. And the road noise, thank God it's not raining heavily. Otherwise, you know, rain, moisture will go inside. So there you go. So what I learned from yesterday's trip to the salvage yard is once you remove the part, I think putting them on is gonna be easier because I already know where to install the screws and bolts. Anyway, so this is the before. I need to make adjustments going there so that my taillight will fit. Hoping that the bumper is gonna be less of a problem, and for the trunk lid, hoping that the arm that holds this trunk lid is not damaged. So there you go, guys. I'm not gonna wait for the cops to find the perpetrator, because it's already a crime situation since it was a hit and run. Okay, I'm gonna do what I can because I don't have money. I need this car for work, and I need to do what I gotta do instead of just waiting. So there you go, guys. So if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Consider supporting me on Patreon. Use my Amazon link. It will not charge you, but it will help the channel. See you next time. Gray, say goodbye. Bye, boy. Come here. Say goodbye. Oh, bye. You. Hey. Bye. Say goodbye.